this video, I would like to present my web map visualization project of large-scale climate dataset, where I fetch from National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration API, and I run on Docker Compose, whole stack, and Postgres database, backend and frontend, as you can see in the screen. And let's show the final product. I put very small fraction of the daily summaries just to show a second type of dataset. And as you can see, it is loaded, and you can see the station name and the value when you hover on the points. So let me go through all the necessary steps. The first step is to fetch the data from the API. I created a custom bash script that accelerates the API request using the GNU Parallel command line tool. I used 3 different tokens alternately in a round-robin fashion. And the workflow gathers data for 1 year and processes and merges the JSON file. After compressing the data, I put them on Google Drive and I compressed not to lose the data into a CSV for database migration. For this, I created a Python collab notebook whose link I shared with README. Now, as you can see on the screen, we are extracting the zip file and then reading all the JSON files into a JSON-L format asynchronously. So an example data, you can see from the reading all the data, JSON data, and writing them in to a JSON-Ly format for making the streaming easier. And then reading this JSON-Ly into CSV with Panda. As you can see, the data frame there are some manipulations according to the schema I define in database. But it is important to note that this first table should be inserted as stations. Now a CSV file is ready to insert into database. Since our database is run on a Docker container, we should copy this CSV file to the Docker container and then run SQL commands to copy from this CSV file. So I handle this with, I created a run migration shell script. You need to give some arguments where which table you want to put the data.